Overrides can be applied through the Vicon Access Control software. Any page in the Vicon Access Control interface includes the override menu at the top right corner. The override command enables the operator to change the state of a door, a floor, an input, and an output. This change in behavior occurs immediately and is useful during emergency situations. Click on the Override Doors icon to display the Override Doors menu. All sites in the system will be displayed with the doors attached to each site. Doors that are offline will be grayed out. Clicking the checkbox next to a site will select all doors from that site. A specific door can be selected by clicking the checkbox next to it. Once a door or multiple doors have been selected, click the appropriate action displayed on the right to manipulate the state of the door instantaneously. Remember that this may block access to users depending on their security level. The Override Doors menu is divided into 4 sections: General Override, Override until Resume, Override until Next Schedule, Timed Override. General Override includes the Pulse Unlock button and the Resume button. The Pulse Unlock action will unlock a door and then return the door to its normal state a moment later. This allows for a quick temporary unlock of the selected door. The Resume action can be used on any type of door override to return the door to its normal schedule. When a door is resumed, a notification will be displayed stating that the door has resumed from an overridden state. Override until Resume includes Lockdown, Unlock, Card, and Pin. Once the door is overridden by one of these options, it will remain in that state until the door is resumed by pressing the Resume button from the General section. Override until Next Schedule has the same 4 momentary actions as Override until Resume. Once the door is overridden by one of these options, it will remain in that state until the next scheduled door state change occurs. The door will then automatically continue to follow its normal schedule. Timed Override also has the same 4 momentary actions. Enter the time duration in minutes for the override command. Press the action button to change the door state. The state will remain for the time duration specified, and then the door state will automatically resume to follow its normal schedule. Overrides are the highest level of a state a door, floor, output, or input will obey.